Your code runs perfectly in your mind, but Python throws an error anyway. Don't worry, today we will decode why errors happen and how to fix them like a pro. Hey everyone, this is CodeNFacts where coding meets clarity. In this video, we will talk about one of the most common things every beginner faces, that is error in Python, and how to understand them instead of fearing them. In Python, an error means something in your code is stopping the program from running correctly. Errors are not bad, they are actually Python's way of telling you what went wrong. There are mainly three types of errors you need to know. So basically first we have to cover that syntax error. This happens when Python does not understand your code. Maybe you forgot a colon, a bracket, or a misspelled a keyword. Let's share an example. If true, print hello. As we know that if any condition and we have to use here semicolon, but there is no semicolon in the if condition, so it shows an syntax error, that is expected semicolon. See that Python literally tells you what's missing, so always read the last line of the error message carefully and fix syntax error before running your code again, because Python would not execute anything until they are gone. And the second one is runtime error. Now sometimes your code is correct but it crashes while running. That's a runtime error, or what we call an exception. Let's see an example where we have to input a number and print 10 divided by number. If we enter 0, then we got an error. That means 10 divided by 0 is not division by 0. So the program runs but breaks during execution. That's a runtime error, and we will later learn how to handle this using try and except. That's called exceptional handling. And the third one is logical error. Now this one's tricky. Your program runs perfectly fine but gives wrong input. That's a logical error and Python cannot detect it. Only you can. Here is the example that num1 is equal to 10 and number 2 is equal to 5, and we have to print their sum, but by mistakenly we add num1 difference num2 and we by mistakenly use difference operator. So the output will be sum, print sum, but give us the difference between the two number. No crash, no red text, just on wrong logic. That's why debugging and testing are so important. So remember, syntax error is one that Python cannot read or write, and runtime errors is that Python reads it but fails while running, and logical error is one that your code runs fine but gives wrong result. Every great coder started by breaking their code and learning from those errors. So next time you see one, don't panic. Just read it, understand it, and fix it. Now here is a quick challenge for you. The question is write a Python program that divides two numbers and handle the cache when the denominator is 0. Drop your answer in the comments. So this is CodeNFacts, your daily boost of coding clarity. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and practical coding lessons every day. Keep coding, keep creating. See you in the next video.